Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna break down the buzz around the Moonoa Pro Vacuum Cleaner, also known as the MoonPod Hypersonics Pro. A lot of people are wondering, is it legit or just another scam? Well, I've dug into reviews, articles, and user experiences, so let's talk about it. What is a Moonoa Pro Vacuum Cleaner? This vacuum is marketed as lightweight, portable, and perfect for both home and car cleaning. The company claims it has powerful suction, a sleek design, and multi surface capabilities. It's also cordless, which sounds convenient. Basically, it's targeting people looking for a budget friendly alternative to high end vacuums. The pros and cons. On paper, it sounds good, right? Let's start with the pros and cons. It's affordable compared to big name brands. The cordless design and lightweight build make it super portable. Plus, it comes with a few attachments for different cleaning needs. But here's where things get dicey. The cons. Reviews are all over the place. Some people say it's okay for light cleaning, but others complain about weak suction and poor build quality. A big red flag? The company's customer service is terrible. People have reported unresponsive support and shady refund policies. Oh, and the battery life? Not great. Well, for the customer reviews, I checked Trustpilot and let me tell you, it's not looking good. The Moonoa Pro Vacuum Cleaner has a 2.1 star rating from over 200 reviews. Most complaints are about delays, refunds, and broken promises. Let me share a few highlights. One reviewer said, I ordered the vacuum 11 days ago and sent 5 emails. No response. The product hasn't even arrived and they already charged me. Another customer reported receiving a cracked dust container right out of the box and said the warranty was a joke. Apparently, the warranty form doesn't even have a proper submission process. Another user wrote, terrible customer service. I want to return it, but no one is answering me. Please avoid. It's not just Trustpilot. According to Malware Tips, the company uses shady marketing tricks like fake countdown timers and exaggerating positive reviews to lure customers. They also lack any verifiable company history or contact details. Now, if we talk about is it just a drop shipping scam? Honestly, it's starting to look like it. A lot of reports suggest the Moonoa Pro might be a cheap Chinese vacuum sold at a big markup. Plus, the return process is a nightmare. Buyers are often asked to ship the product back to China at their own expense, if they even get a response. So, is the Moonoa or MoonPod Pro vacuum cleaner worth it? Based on the evidence, I'd say no. It's got all the hallmarks of a scam: poor product quality, unresponsive customer service, and misleading marketing. If you're in the market for a vacuum, stick to trusted brands with solid reviews. As always, do your research before clicking buy. And hey, if you've had any experience with this product, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. That's it for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.